In UAE, the weekend has been shifted from Friday to Sunday. It took a while to get adjusted to this new change. Saturday evening, we stayed late to assemble this bedside table. Transitioning from a studio apartment to one bedroom home, we didn't have much furniture to start with. I always felt having two bedside table was a luxury, and this time I totally gave in. Well, now the bedroom looks complete and functional too. I may add a table lamp in future. Time to get on to my Sunday routine. I have made it a practice to not hurry anything on Sunday. Today I took some time to make Kalonji oil or onion seed oil. I have made the powder of 2 tablespoons of Kalonji seeds or onion seeds. I have got this Kalonji seeds from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box because I couldn't find Kalonji oil in Lulu or most of the hypermarkets in UAE. I have used fenugreek paste on my hair so many times and I know it makes my hair shiny. So with that confidence, I'm also adding this seed powder to this oil. To prepare the base of the oil, you can use either castor oil or mustard seed oil. I had mustard seed oil in my home handy because in winters I make a lot of recipes with mustard seed oil. So I added 4 tablespoons of mustard seed oil as the base, and the majority of the oil will consist of coconut oil. This will take me a step closer to my vision board goal of having long curly hair. I've heard good things about it, so let's see if it works. I'm keeping a tab of using this oil and I will share a 1-month result to you soon. I have switched off the warm water and shaking the oil mixture thoroughly, and I'm placing it in the warm bath for some time till it warms up. I'm really tempted to lay on the bed and binge watch entire Netflix series, but sadly that will make my Monday really stressful. So I'm pushing myself to clean up the aftermath of this Kalonji seed oil. While I was cleaning the stuff, I am also going to include my water bottles. I clean them only once a week. I have wasted so much of my money on plastic bottles, which after a while gives out a weird smell, which I don't like. Finally, I found these glass bottles perfect to store water. Because of its shape, I need this sponge bottle cleaner, which works well and make my bottles shiny clean. Now my Kalonji oil has cooled down. I'm going to keep it in the balcony so that the sun can do all the trick and infuse the good things from seeds to the oil. I'm going to keep it outside for 5 days before using. Today we are going for grocery shopping to Lulu, and I'm also craving for that dahi kachori chaat. Before that, I am going to take a sneak peek into the refrigerator, and this sneak peek made me realize that I need to clean my fridge, and I ended up cleaning the entire fridge. Clubbing habits is a great way to tackle things like this. Cleaning fridge is not at all my favorite part. How much ever I clean it, it becomes messy in a day or two. Another similar clubbing habit example is evening tea with reading. I will highly recommend you to club your most difficult task with your most favorite task. I absolutely love grocery shopping, but I cannot keep on shopping if my fridge is not clean or it is overstocked. Once I have taken out all the food, I use simple dishwashing soap solution to clean the surfaces and double clean it with plain water to remove the soapy residue. The fridge drawer don't fit in my sink and I literally make a messy splash of water everywhere. One suggestion I would like to make is the temperature control in the refrigerator. It's winter here and I have kept it to less cooling. You can also be mindful about the energy consumption here and make the changes according to your climate. Here is my complete tour of the happy clean fridge. I have written down all the things which I need to finish for this week on this magnetic board. I do keep my grocery bills next to it for the end of the month budgeting. On the eggshell tray, I have kept eggs, some Vepulagatti chamandi. I have also kept regularly used essences, and I have kept some sauces which we frequently use, like sriracha sauce, tomato, mayonnaise, peri peri sauce. And down I have kept the Chinese counter sauces where there are soy sauce, peanut butter. Peanut butter I use it frequently to make Asian dishes. And then I have kept the first drawer as my leftover food drawer and the dairy products. And the second drawer I have kept the egg tray. We have a lot of eggs, kept a dedicated drawer for the eggs. And the third and the fourth drawer has my vegetables and essentials like ginger, garlic, green chilies, coriander, etc. stored in the boxes. Coming to the freezer section, I always freeze my berries and strawberries, and I have paneer and peas always on stock. And on the sides I have kept the besan powder and flour. I don't know why I store it like this, but I have seen my mom storing it like this, so I have followed it. And I have some kombucha. I make sometimes fish curry at home, so it is something which is very essential in our home. And I've also kept some ice packs, which I love to keep it when I am doing my self-care routine to place it on my eyes. Now let's go and do some grocery shopping. Sunday is the day where I kiss my diet goodbye and indulge in whatever my heart desire. I absolutely love good chaat, and I'm having kachori chaat from Lulu. If you're in Lulu, definitely give this a try, you will love it. This is a much deserved cheat meal for me. I have worked out for the entire week and I love giving myself reward. It helps me to work out for the next week and always have something to look forward to. Sunday evening, I try to wind down early, around 8 p.m. after dinner. This put me in right state of mind to start my weekday. I'm a huge fan of books and I follow a lot of bookstagrammer. Watching them read inspire me to pick up books and read. When I was in school, reading was a natural way of spending time for me. I do struggle watching a movie alone, but I can spend hours reading all alone. This habit of reading calms me down. 10 minutes of reading for me means that 10 minutes of traveling to some other world and not thinking about the stresses around my life. You can call this escapism, but I love to do this most of my time. I love to escape from my life and get into someone else's life. And currently I'm reading this beautiful book by Vikram Seth and Equal Music. That's it for today. Talk to you more in the next vlog. You have a great week ahead. Take care.